Start with fully detangled and preferably clean hair. You want to detangle using water and a vent brush. Thoroughly wet your hair. It should literally be dripping. And then go in with your vent brush. Start from the bottom and work your way up in small sections. Clips are a good idea to stay organized, but I just keep a mental note of the section I'm working on and make sure I finish that one before moving to another. Start on the very top or outside of the hair. Only apply enough pressure to get through that section easily. If you run into a snag, start over from the beginning and keep going until you're able to get through with little to no effort. If you're not starting to see definition or you're not able to get the comb through easily, you may not have detangled enough or the hair may not be wet enough. If your brush isn't gliding through like this and your curls aren't bouncing back like this, stay on this step until it does. It makes a big difference. It's worth it. I work in 4 sections, even though I don't use clips. I've done the left, top, and bottom, and now moving on to the right. Start on the outer layer of the hair, so that very top layer. I'm not brushing all the way through, just the very top layer, and then I'm working the brush deeper and deeper until I'm able to get all the way down to the scalp. When you think you're done, go back and check your work. I'm going all throughout the hair, making sure the brush glides through very, very easily, and once it does, I can apply the product. The product we're using today is Be Girl by the Doux. It can be purchased at Target. I'm not sure where else it can be purchased, but of course I will leave the name in the description box for you to find it near you. All you need is about this much. You're just going to rub it in between your hands and in between your fingers and rake through the hair, starting at the ends, working your way up. Do your best to make sure that all the product is even throughout the hair. Get it on the end, work your way up, make sure you get the top, the sides, all of it. Then work it through with the brush. Starting at the ends, working your way up slowly, making sure there aren't any snags, and really just smoothing that product all throughout the hair as best you can. Throughout this entire process, you want to make sure the hair is very wet. So if your hair has started to dry, go ahead and add some more water in there. Of course, you can't forget the edges. We're not doing a baby hair look today, but I do want her edges nice and tamed, so I'm just going through with the same product in an edge brush and smoothing the hair in the direction that I want it in. This is a good time to take a step back and just look at your hair, make sure you're happy with the way your curls are falling, the amount of definition you're seeing before we add this last product and lock it in. This is the argan oil that we're using today. It smells so good. Please let me know how you feel about it in the comments because I am in love. I'm just smoothing some of that on my hands and then I'm scrunching the hair. If you don't know how to scrunch, you're essentially balling the hair up, like you're squeezing the hair as hard as you can into your fist. The harder you squeeze, the more curl definition you'll see. I only use about the size of a quarter amount of argan oil for her entire head for reference. I just know someone is still lost. So when you scrunch, you're going to cut the hair in your hands, raise the hair towards the scalp, and squeeze as hard as you can. The higher up you hold the hair and the harder you scrunch will give you even more curl definition. Now go through and smooth the rest of the argan oil on top of the hair and on the outside of the hair for shine and a little bit of weight. For the best results in the ultimate wet look, air dry without running your fingers through the hair. As usual, thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful and leave me a comment letting me know how it went or what you'd like to see next.